Let us solve a problem in which we can make use of derivative formulas of Newton's forward interpolation as well as Newton's backward interpolation. Find dy by dx and d square y by dx square at x equals 1.6 and x equals 1.1 for the given tabular data. Corresponding to the first case x equals 1.6, we can make use of derivative formulas of Newton's backward interpolation. This is because x equals 1.6 is located to the back end of the given tabular data. For the second case x equals 1.1, we can make use of derivative formulas of Newton's forward interpolation because x equals 1.1 is located to the beginning of the given tabular data. Let us now find out derivatives at x equals 1.6, for which we will make use of derivative formulas of Newton's backward interpolation. While doing backward interpolation, we will select origin a equals 1.6 and we have h equals interval of differencing, which is the difference between consecutive x values equals 0.1 here. For the first case x equals 1.6, we have a minus nh equals 1.6 where origin a equals 1.6 and h equals 0.1. Thus we have a minus nh equals 1.6 will give us n equals 0. Since we have obtained n equals 0, we can make use of derivative formulas of Newton's backward interpolation for the special case n equals 0. But we will have to find out del f of a, del square f of a, del cube f of a, etc. in order to find out f dash of a at x equals 1.6 or dy by dx at x equals 1.6. We will first draw the difference table. Since we have selected origin as 1.6, we have f of a equals 10.031, del f of a equals 0.281, del square f of a equals negative 0.018, del cube f of a equals 0.005, del raised to 4 f of a equals negative 0.002, del raised to 5 f of a equals minus 0.001 and del raised to 6 f of a equals minus 0.002. Values appearing at bottom of each column of differences will be used in order to evaluate derivatives of backward interpolation. We have at n equals 0, dy by dx or f dash of a equals 1 by h times del f of a plus del square f of a by 2 plus del cube f of a by 3 plus del raised to 4 f of a by 4 plus del raised to 5 f of a by 5 plus etc. Giving the specific values, we will obtain f dash of a equals 2.684 approximately. We have the standard formula to find out f double dash of a as 1 by h square del square f of a plus del cube f of a plus 11 by 12 del raised to 4 f of a plus 5 by 6 times del raised to 5 f of a plus etc. Giving the specific values here, we will obtain f double dash of a equals minus 1.566 approximately. Thus, using derivative formulas of Newton's backward interpolation, we obtained dy by dx at x equals 1.6 is 2.684 and d square y by dx square at x equals 1.6 is minus 1.566. Now let us find out dy by dx and d square y by dx square for x equals 1.1. In this case, if you select x equals 1.1 as the origin, that is, if you take a equals 1.1, then we will have x equals a plus nh rewritten as 1.1 equals 1.1 plus n times 0.1, from where we will get n equals 0, which means that if you select origin as 1.1, then we can make use of derivative formulas of Newton's forward interpolation for the special case n equals 0, which is familiar to us. We can make use of the same difference table. We have selected origin as 1.1, therefore we have a equals 1.1, hence f of a equals 8.403, delta f of a equals 0.378, delta square f of a equals minus 0.03, delta cube f of a equals 0.004, delta raised to 4 f of a equals minus 0.001, delta raised to 5 f of a equals minus 0.001. Since we have selected x equals 1.1 as the origin, while using derivative formulas of Newton's forward interpolation, we will make use of second values appearing in each difference column. We have at special case n equals 0, dy by dx at x equals 1.1 or f dash of a is given by 1 by h delta f of a minus delta square f of a by 2 plus delta cube f of a by 3 minus delta raised to 4 f of a by 4 plus etc. Giving specific values here in this equation, we will obtain f dash of a, that is f dash of 1.1 equals 3.9438 approximately. We have standard formula to find out f double dash of a for special case n equals 0 given by 1 by h square times delta square f of a minus delta cube f of a plus 11 by 12 times delta raised to 4 f of a minus 5 by 6 times delta raised to 5 f of a plus etc. Thus we obtain f double dash at 1.1 is obtained as minus 3.408 approximately.